Hello everyone, this is Preeti Singh once again in front of you to explain chapter Climate. The chapter belongs class 11 Geography part 2. This is the video on climate chapter and this is the portion part 2. Today I am going to explain you some topics of this chapter. The first, the nature of Indian monsoon. We have seen different kinds of nature of Indian monsoon. I am going to explain about the nature. The first, the onset of the monsoon. Second, rain-bearing system, tropical cyclones, and the relationship between their frequency and distribution of monsoon rainfall. And the third is break in the monsoon. First topic is onset of the monsoon. Onset of the monsoon, also known as the arrival of the monsoon or the advancing monsoon. The differential heating of land and sea during the summer months is the mechanism which sets the stage for the monsoon winds to drift towards the subcontinent. During April and May, when the sun shines vertically over the Tropic of Cancer, the large landmass in the north of Indian Ocean gets intensely heated. This causes of the formation of an intense low pressure in the northwestern part of the subcontinent. Since heat pressure in the Indian Ocean in the south of the landmass is high, as water gets heated slowly, the low pressure cell attracts the southeast trades across the equator. These conditions help in the northward shift in the position of the ITCZ. The full form of the ITCZ is Intertropical Convergence Zone. The southwest monsoon may thus be seen as the continuation of the southeast trades deflected towards the Indian subcontinent after crossing the equator. These winds cross the equator between 40° east and 60° east longitudes. Come to the second topic, entry of the monsoon into India. The southwest monsoon sets in over the Kerala coast by 1st of June and moves swiftly to reach Mumbai and Kolkata between 10th and 13th June. By mid-July, southwest monsoon engulfs the entire subcontinent. The rain-bearing system and rainfall distribution. There are two main branches of rainfall distribution in India. The first, the Bay of Bengal, and the second, Arabian Sea branch. The rainfall distribution is based on two factors: the offshore meteorological conditions, and the second, the position of the equatorial jet stream along the eastern coast of Africa. Next is El Nino and the Indian monsoon. The role of El Nino in the Indian monsoon. El Nino is a complex weather system that appears once every 3 to 7 years, bringing drought, floods, and other weather extremes to different parts of the world. The system involves oceanic and atmospheric phenomena with the appearance of warm currents off the coast of Peru in the eastern Pacific and affects weather in many places, including India. The word El Nino means child Christ, because this current appears around Christmas in December. December is a summer month in Peru, southern hemisphere. El Nino is used in India for forecasting long-range monsoon rainfall. In 1990-91, there was a wild El Nino event and the onset of southwest monsoon was delayed over most parts of the country, ranging from 5 to 12 days. The next topic is the rhythms of the season. There are different kinds of season which is found in India. The climatic conditions of India can best be described in terms of annual cycle of seasons. The meteorologists recognize the following 4 seasons. The first, the cold weather season, the hot weather season, the southwest monsoon season, and the retreating monsoon season. First, the cold weather season temperature. There are lots of changes experienced in cold weather season. In India, the cold weather season begins from November and stays till to February. December and January are the coldest months in the northern plains. The mean daily temperature remains below 21 degrees Celsius over the most parts of northern India. The night temperature may be quite low, sometimes going below freezing point in Punjab and Rajasthan. The days are warm and the nights are cold. Next is, there are 3 main reasons for the excessive cold in North India during this season. States like Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan, being far away from the moderating influence of sea, experience continental climate. The snowfall in the nearby Himalayan ranges creates cold wave situation, and the third, around February, the cold winds coming from the Caspian Sea and Turkmenistan bring cold waves, along with frost and fog over the northwestern part of the India.